everyone, it's Dom G, and today I'm going to show you how to use the typewriter effect in Adobe After Effects. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the typewriter effect, but I'll also be showing you how to recreate and animate the popular Adult Swim logo. Are you ready? Let's get into it. First, we're going to open a new composition in Adobe After Effects. For this project, I'll start by recreating the Adult Swim logo by clicking the text tool and using Helvetia New Condensed Bold. I'll start with the creation of the left bracket and resizing it to the desired height. Next, I'll create the right bracket and size it to the desired height so that it aligns seamlessly with the left bracket. Now, we'll animate the left bracket first by clicking the arrow on the layer and clicking Transform. Make sure your marker is at the beginning of the timeline and click the stopwatch next to Position. This will lock in the start position of the left bracket. Now, drag the marker to the 0.20 second mark and drag it to the left to resemble the Adult Swim logo. You can move it in a straight line if you hold the Shift key while dragging. Play it back to make sure the left bracket is moving correctly. Now we want to repeat the same steps for the right bracket. Click the arrow on the right bracket's layer, then click Transform. Now click the stopwatch next to Position. Make sure the marker is at the beginning of the timeline beforehand. Move the marker to the 0.20 second mark and drag it to the right to resemble the Adult Swim logo. Play it back to make sure that both brackets start and stop moving at the exact same time. Onto the text. Draw another text box within the brackets and type your text. In my case, I'm putting Adult Swim. Be sure to resize the text so that it fits perfectly into the frame. Now we want to move the text on the timeline so that it only appears after the brackets move to the left and right. So we want to move the text on the timeline from the beginning to 0.20 seconds. Click the arrow next to the text layer and click the animation button. Then click Character Offset. Next to Animator 1, click Add, then Property, then Opacity. Move the marker to the beginning of the text on the timeline and lower the opacity to 0%. Under Animator 1, click the arrow next to Range Selector 1. Click the stopwatch next to Start. Move the marker to the 2 second mark and increase the start percentage to 100%. Lastly, click the arrow next to Advance and reduce the smoothness to 0%. And there you have it. You have officially created the typewriter effect in Adobe After Effects. I hope this tutorial helped you out a lot. If there's anything else that you desire to know, please feel free to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to create a tutorial on that specific thing. If you need any creative or marketing services, feel free to contact me and schedule a free 15-minute consultation on my website at www.domggraphics.com/contact. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share with a friend in need. Until next time.